I got a short episode here for you, but whenever you approach a prospect, someone wins and somebody loses. If an agent wins, they get a sale. For a prospect to win, they effectively block you from getting a sale. In reality, is this what happens? No. Welcome to the Final Expense Sales Academy, the hub for mastering the art of final expense life insurance sales. If you're looking to become a pro in the final expense industry, you're in the right place. My name is Kyle Williams, and I'm your host to go through the ins and outs of the final expense business, from tips to tricks to industry insights. We cover everything you need to close deals with confidence, provide true value to your clients, and become a better insurance agent. So hit that subscribe button. Let's get started on elevating your sales game one video at a time. In this episode, we're going to talk about the game within the final expense life insurance sale. I got a short episode here for you, but whenever you approach a prospect, someone wins and somebody loses. If an agent wins, they get a sale. For a prospect to win, they effectively block you from getting a sale. In reality, is this what happens? No. By making every potential deal a game, it can bring out the competitiveness of every agent. In my experience, the best agents are the most competitive. By bringing a game within the game, it can help you get the best out of being you, an agent. So it brings the best out of an agent. So what do I mean by a game within the game? The game that we play is selling life insurance to final expense clients, specifically in that niche. By creating the game within the game, you then create a win and a losing scenario of who wins and who loses. Are we going to win every deal? No, we're not. Okay, it's just not going to happen. Salespeople do not bat 1,000. Will it hurt you to create a game to increase your competitiveness to win the game? No, absolutely not. The worst that happens is you don't make a sale. That's it. So how do you create the game? It's simple. Okay, there's a winner and a loser in every encounter. For you, the agent, to win, you sell them a policy. Now, in reality, the prospect's not really losing because they're winning because they got a policy that's going to take care of them. It's just an illusion to create a game within the game. For a prospect to win, they essentially block you from getting a sale. Winners always find a way to win, and by creating a game within the game of selling a policy, it helps intensify that. So I know this is a short video, but this is just to talk about a game within the game that you can create, and it's just a short little mentality shift, and maybe that short mentality shift will help take your sales to the next level. If you receive something valuable here, share it with your friends, share it on social media. Be sure to subscribe so that way you catch all our latest content. If you have any questions, comment below, and we will see you in the next episode.